Okay, let's get right into something that could literally change everything we think we know about health and fitness. There's a brand new study about to drop in the journal Circulation that's being called the single biggest leap forward in exercise science since we discovered VO2 max, that measurement of how well your body uses oxygen. So, what did they find? Well, they found the key to the exercise pill. I mean, seriously, just think about that for a second. We've all had that thought, right? What if you could just take a pill and get all the incredible benefits of a tough workout? A stronger heart, a fired up metabolism, a longer life, all without ever setting foot in a gym. It's always been the absolute holy grail of health science. Well, guess what? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's real. Researchers have finally pinpointed the exact molecule that your own body produces during exercise that's responsible for so many of those amazing health benefits. The secret is officially out. So you're probably wondering, how on earth did they manage to find one specific molecule among the thousands and thousands floating around in our blood? This is where the science gets really, really cool. Let's break down how they cracked the case. So the research team put together this massive study. They got 650 healthy adults and had them go through a serious 20-week aerobic training program. We're talking running, biking, the whole deal, all supervised. And the key was they took blood samples right before the program started and then again right after it finished so they could see exactly what changed inside their bodies. And what they found was just a ton of data. After those 20 weeks of working out, they saw that over 1,000 different molecules in people's blood had changed. Over 1,000? Can you imagine sifting through all of that chemical noise to find the one that truly matters? But that's exactly what they did. As they crunched the numbers, one molecule just jumped off the page. Its levels didn't just change a little bit, they skyrocketed. And not only that, the increase was perfectly tied to how much fitter each person got. It was, without a doubt, the star of the show. All right, so what is this stuff? What is this magic molecule? It's time for the big reveal. The little guy responsible for so many of the benefits we get from exercise finally has a name. Everybody, meet N-Palmitoyl Glutamine, or let's just call it NPG. This is it. This is the stuff your body makes when you move. It's like a messenger that zips through your bloodstream, telling every part of you to get stronger, healthier, and way more resilient. And the link here was just absolutely undeniable. The data was crystal clear. The more someone's fitness improved, the higher their VO2 max went, the higher their levels of NPG were. It wasn't just some random correlation. It was a direct cause and effect relationship. Better fitness equals more NPG. Simple as that. Okay, so we know what NPG is. We know that exercise makes it. But what does this molecule actually do once it's released? This is where the story goes from just interesting to totally mind-blowing. So think of NPG like a super command that gets sent out to your entire body. It tells your cells' little power plants, the mitochondria, to not only become more efficient, but to actually multiply. You know that feeling after a few weeks of training when you can suddenly run up a flight of stairs and not feel winded? Yeah, that's your mitochondria getting an upgrade, all thanks to NPG. It also flips the switch on powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant systems that protect your body from aging and damage. And the real-world difference this makes is just staggering. When the scientists checked this against huge population studies, the results were just plain undeniable. People who naturally had more NPG had a lower risk of dying from any cause. They had fewer heart attacks, fewer strokes, better heart function, and way less chronic inflammation. The evidence is just overwhelming. So here's the bottom line. NPG isn't just some random chemical. It's a real-time indicator, like a gauge on your dashboard, showing you exactly how much your exercise is protecting you, right now, in this moment. The more NPG you have floating around, the stronger your body's shield is against disease and aging. So, of course, all of this leads to the one big, obvious question that I know is on your mind right now. If this stuff is so incredible, can we just, take it? Right? Can we just bottle this stuff up? Can science give us all these amazing benefits in a simple capsule we take with our morning coffee? The whole world has been waiting for the answer to this question. And the honest answer is not yet. Turns out the molecule is super unstable once it's outside the human body. So trying to create a synthetic version that actually works is still in the very, very early stages. But here it is. This is the most powerful, most empowering part of this whole story. We might not be able to buy NPG in a bottle, but the beautiful thing is we don't need to. The most advanced, most efficient NPG factory on planet Earth is already built, and it's inside of you. For years, for decades, we've been on this quest for a pill that can mimic exercise. But what this incredible discovery really proves is that we've had the recipe the entire time. The magic isn't in some pill of the future. It's in the simple, profound act of moving your body. So that really just leaves us with one last thought. Knowing that every single step you take, every jump, every lift, is telling your body to manufacture its own personal miracle drug, what are you going to do today to brew up a fresh batch?